girl Jody, back at it again with another video. I hope you guys are doing good. Your girl is doing good over here. David is doing good, but he's getting ready. We are going to do some grocery shopping, and as you can see the title, we are going to do some grocery shopping at Shoprite. And guess what, guys? We are gonna take you on the tour with us. So please let us know in the comment section what you like for dinner, if you're coming over for dinner, and tell me if you love this video. We have no grocery in the house, so we're gonna top up on some grocery. And guess what, guys? It is super cold. As you can see, I'm in my winter jacket, I'm in my hat. It is cold, guys, and I'm in my boots. So yeah, and guess what, guys? I got my mask right here. You know, the COVID pandemic and all of that. So you gotta wear your mask. So yeah. So guys, see you guys at Shoprite. Let's go. OMG, guys, it is super cold outside. Look who I found.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy David. Just chilling. We about to go food shopping. I hope we don't spend that money, but you know I love food, so let's see how the end of the day gonna look, guys.
It is cold. It is cold.
Ain't that cool?
So see you guys later again. So guys, we're gonna get some watermelon. Ooh, the pricey. So pricey. I love watermelon. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see what David is getting though. Oh, he's getting fresh vegetables. Oh, what is that though?
I call it salad, bro.
Salad?
Salad, yeah.
Lettuce.
I eat with my sandwich, or you know, just.
Oh, he's gonna eat it with his sandwich. Okay. Oh, David can't tie a bag. Look what he's doing.
It's not recording me.
We got a cereal section. Got me a cereal already.
No other one.
And I don't see my favorite one.
I see these little. I might eat
Honey
it now.
Smack. 2 for $4. Alrighty. So we got 2 for $4. We got it as a deal. What is he getting again? So he's getting the cinnamon one. Okay. Oh, look what David found, guys.
She can't have none. David. And you know what? Jumbo, because I'm big.
We're not getting David because we have another David here already. OMG. This is the right deal right here. This is my favorite. Put it in the box, please, sir.
I miss you so bad. I miss you. I gotta talk to it.
Guys, see? Wearing your mask. And David around there in the back. Put your mask up, babe. Yeah, put your mask up. Christmas music playing, guys. But you know the copyright, so we gotta stop it. Yeah. Guys, we are in the best aisle right now. Snack, snack, snack. Guys, I'm working mad hard. I need me an Ensure. I need me a case of Ensure. David's favorite. So guys, we are finished shopping right now. We're trying to find us a cashier. So we talk to you guys when we get home. I know you can't hear him with the mask, but you got the picture, right? Alrighty. Hi guys, so we are officially home and I'm gonna show you exactly what we got. We spent, guys, let me get the receipt, wait up. We spent $231.43. We didn't expect it was gonna go that far. But you know guys, David is a foodie. It's all David's fault. It's not my fault. It is David, guys. So let me show you exactly what we got here. Let me start from the back. Over here, I've got me some Moet's apple juice. We got 2 apple juice. We got it for a deal. We got it like for 2 for $5. I've got me some Ensure over here. You know your girl work crazy hours. So I gotta put some energy back in this body right here. Your health, guys, is the #1 priority. We got some pepperoni right here. David is gonna do a video, so you guys will see that video. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but David is gonna do that video. You got some original Frankfurters. We got some turkey bacon. Got me a whole chicken, super heavy. Got me some chicken breast also. And I've got me some beef chunk steak. Got me some baking soda. This is the family size. Got my Ritz cracker. My cheese and cheddar sandwich cracker. Got me a case of Snapple. If you love some strawberry kiwi Snapple, let me know in the comment section also. Got me some almond milk. Got me some frosted flake. My favorite, David's favorite too. Got me this light bulb right here. I bought me a lamp at IKEA and we forgot bulb, so I bought me a bulb. It's 2 come in the pack though. Got me 2 barbecue sauce, original. Got me some sliced peaches, but this is for David. I got me 4 bumblebee tuna. Got me some scallion. Got me a cucumber. Got me a slice of half of watermelon. Let's put it right. Hold on, guys. Finding some space. Woo. Look, guys, a bad boy of the day that we love. The beef patty. This is everything right here. If you ever try this, let me know in the comment section because this is really good. I love it. I love my Jamaican beef patty, and David fell in love with it too. We got some tomato sauce right here. This is a perfect one, guys. Perfect one. We got me 3 bushy beans right here. Our favorite original. Last week I tried a barbecue one, but I didn't like it. David liked it. We got some fresh lettuce right here. Moving on to my fruits. Got me some blueberries, case of blueberry. We got some Comet, like to clean, multi-cleaning powder. Some Irish Spring bar soap. Got me some Downy fabric softener for our laundry. Got me some Tide. This is really expensive. It was $14, $13.99. Really expensive. We got us some pine salt to clean the floor. We got wooden floor, so you know, pine salt to clean the floor. Some Method all-purpose cleaner. I have OCD, guys, so the house gotta be clean, else I cannot focus. Some Lysol also, guys. Some Clorox, you know, germs got to clean the house down or when you come in. We got some scrubbly bubbles. We got 2 cases of ginger ale, 12 pack each. We got some salted butter right here. We got some seedless grapes. I love me some grapes. If you love grapes, let me know in the comment section. Hey, I've got me 8 packs of yogurt. If you love these yogurts, let me know in the comment section. They're really nice for me to take to work, or when I'm hungry, I munch on it. David don't really eat it, but I love it. Got me a large case of oranges. I love me some orange. If my family, you guys are watching, you know girl love oranges. Over here, I've got me 18 packs of 18 large eggs. David is an egg eater. I got me some swirly bread. Our daughter Queenie, you know we can't leave out our daughter. We got some party mix for her, and also some, it's like tuna, yeah, 9 lives. It's called 9 lives. They say cats have 9 lives, but I don't believe that. Over here we got some applesauce. This one is the cinnamon and this one is the original. This one is for David, this one is for me. Also to take to work. We got some mixed cherry right here. You know, it's like apple, peaches, cherries, and so forth. And I guess that is it. Also, hold on guys. This one is for David, the spicy one. and this one is for me. So you know, when you're watching TV, or normally I put it in a Ziploc bag and take some to work. Please, David, tell David in the comment section, guys, please not to eat mine. Tell David, guys. So guys, that is all we have here. I hope you guys enjoy the journey with us. We took you on the tour with us. I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. It's getting really late. If you ever tried anything here before, let me know in the comment section what you love here. Your girl is gonna chef it up. Let me know what you coming over for dinner, what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. I know you guys love my recipes. Let me know. Your girl is hungry. I know David is hungry too. So guys, see you guys soon. There is a snowstorm coming Wednesday to Friday. So please guys, dress warm, be careful. I gotta go to work because I'm an essential worker, even though I don't want to go. I have no personal, but your girl got to go make that money. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, more content is coming up. More exciting videos is coming up. I know you guys miss us, but I have a lot to do. So guys, see you guys soon. Stay prayed up, stay safe, and have a blessed week. Bye guys.